In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PDF in Google Docs. This is a quick way to take a PDF you already have and work with it in Google Docs so you can copy text, make edits, and collaborate easily. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, and I'll point out what to expect so you get the best results. First, get your PDF into Google Drive. Think of Drive as the home base where your files live before you open them in Docs. If the PDF is on your computer, upload it to Drive so it appears alongside your other files. You can drag and drop the PDF onto the Drive page or use the New button and choose File Upload. Either way, the goal is the same. Make sure the PDF shows up in your Drive so you can work with it from there. If you like to stay organized, you can place it in a specific folder beforehand, but that's optional. Once the PDF is in Google Drive, locate it in your file list and right-click the file. This opens the context menu specific to that item. You might see a preview option, which is great for a quick look, but for editing or copying text in Docs, we're going to use a different choice. Right-clicking ensures you're accessing all the actions available for that file, including opening it in Google Docs. Now, select Open With, then choose Google Docs. Drive will convert the PDF into a Google Doc and open it in a new tab. You'll see a new document created in the same folder as the original PDF, with the PDF's content laid out for editing. The original PDF remains unchanged in your Drive, so you keep both versions. This conversion typically brings over text, basic formatting, and images. However, very complex layouts, custom fonts, columns, or forms may not look exactly the same after conversion. Images and tables usually come through, but you may need to adjust spacing or formatting once it's in Docs. If your PDF is a scan or an image rather than true selectable text, the conversion relies on text recognition. Results can vary. Sometimes the text is captured accurately, other times you may see an image with less editable content. For best results, start with a clear PDF where the text is selectable. That's it. Upload the PDF to Drive, right-click it, and choose Open with Google Docs. From there, you can edit, comment, and share like any other Google Doc, while keeping your original PDF safely in Drive. If the file is large or has many images, give it a moment to load and convert. And remember, a quick refresh in Drive can help if you don't see the new document right away.